Hello guys, and welcome once again to a new video. In today's video I have here a dual shock controller for the PS4 wireless controller. I just bought this one from a local flea market here in my city, and I paid only $5 for it, the equivalent of $5. Well, it's working at some extent. I connected to a computer because I don't have a PS4, I have only an Xbox console. So I connected to the computer and I saw that all the buttons are working, but unfortunately there's a problem with this button, this trigger. As you can see here, for sure this controller was dropped, and it was dropped exactly on this button. Also, you can see here that the case, it's a little bit misaligned, also due to the shock that it received. But other than that, all the buttons are working. So in today's video I will try to open it up and see if I can repair this trigger without ordering a new trigger. In case this is unrepairable, then we will need a new trigger button, which maybe I can search for it on the local websites, or maybe order it directly from China on AliExpress. So without further ado, let's start disassembling it, and then see we can repair it. So I never open up this type of controller. I always worked on the Xbox ones, so without any hesitation, I can say that I'm not an expert on them. So let's see if we can do something. Yeah, so I see already 4 screws here. I will try to open them up. One here. Sorry if you hear some noise. My wife is watching a TV show in the other room. So I don't know if you saw that show. It's called New Amsterdam. But yeah, anyway, I'm not interested in that show. I'm rather interested in repairing this this unit. Okay, so let's try prying it up. So all the screws are out. Hopefully there's no screw here, or I feel something here. Could be. Let's try and see. No, there's no screw here. It's only the sprue insert when it was molded. The case was molded, so let's put it back as it was. All right. So let's start from this side. Okay. Okay. Let's gently do it. I don't want to break anything. Okay. I know that there are two here, two clips. So this one survived here. This one was the one with problems. So I already see how this is working. Okay. Let's disconnect this ribbon cable here. Okay, so everything looks okay here. Here we have the spring. There is the button. But also this one, the spring is not connected correctly. So we will have to work also on this one. So for this, I can also already see here that these two guiding places are not broken, so this is a good thing. So the chassis is still good. Beside of this, looks good. So let's blow a little bit of air here. Okay, we will put this aside for the moment. And let's see what's going on here. Can we remove this one from here? It's blocked, you see? It's blocked here. Come on. I cannot push it in and neither pull it out. Oh, this is a nightmare. I don't want to break it more than it is. So I'm happy that nothing it's broken, but okay, came out. So you see the button is intact. Both tabs are intact, so this is a good thing. So it only snapped out of place. All right, then let's see how this works. Let's remove it all together. Okay. And where does this spring go? Okay, so inside see, if you have this same problem, just remove this out. You see the little spring here? Typical. Just insert the spring here. I'm sorry, but I have to use both hands. Then I will show you exactly. So the spring has to go inside here. Here is a little tab, and this spring sits exactly on this little tab here. So let's put it back inside. You have to have steady hands for this operation. You know what? This is getting ridiculous. My pliers are magnetized. Let me use some professional electronics pliers. Okay, so I did it, but when I wanted to show you, I destroyed it. Oh, come on. How can we do that? Let's see if we can do it by hand. Finger crossed it will not launch out of my hand. Oh, so it looks like it's better in the hand. Oh, please connect. Focus, 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 focus. Focus. Okay, so we have the springs here. Then, this is the left side. You put it inside like this. Clip it in both directions, and it's in. Then the right side, clip it in, and yeah, that's it. This was a really easy fix. I was not expecting this. Okay, so let's connect the ribbon cable back. Let's clean it a little bit on this side if we already open it. Okay. this ribbon cable. Okay, like that. Okay, push it a little bit inside and then insert the triggers first. And then add everything back together until it clicks. Like this. And also on this side. Like this. Okay. We have the blue light. That's good. So it's in pairing mode. The buttons are working. Everything is clicking. Let's put the two screws back together. Phillips torque bit, Phillips screwdriver, really small one for the screws. Okay. And yeah, that's it, guys. This was a really easy fix. To be honest, I was expecting that I would need to super glue something or something, some tabs would be broken, but yeah, only the trigger was out of its normal snapping location and the springs are working fine. So I will need only to make a little bit of cleaning here with some isopropyl alcohol and a cloth, and we have a good controller. Easy money. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos on how to disassemble, how to repair, quick fixes and stuff like that, please consider subscribing to my channel. So I hope you enjoyed this one and see you in the next one. Okay, bye bye.